So this is one of the it's precisely 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and this is one of the type of air conditioner systems that's automatic, and you can't really control it that much, and it turns on and off when it wants to, and it automatically chooses whatever freaking temperature it wants to be at, even if you try to adjust it to something different, and it's consistently keeping it at this number. And it briefly went to 70 for like 30 seconds and then went back to this number.